Is your AC blowing weak air when spring hits? These are the early signs, what's causing it, and how to fix it fast. Most people notice these symptoms, but don't fix them until it's too late. Sign 1. Weak airflow. If your airflow feels weak, even on max, it's usually a restriction. Your cabin air filter is likely clogged with dust and pollen from winter, blocking airflow. Simple fix. Pull out your cabin filter and check it. If it's dirty, replace it. It's cheap and takes minutes. Sign 2. Air not as cold. If it's blowing but not cold, that's usually low refrigerant. Winter cold can shrink seals and cause small leaks, reducing cooling power. Simple fix. Start with an AC pressure check. If it's low, recharge it. But if it drops again, you've got a leak that needs repair. Sign 3. Cold only when driving. If your AC is cold while driving but warm at a stop, your cooling fan may not be doing its job. Without airflow, heat can't escape. Simple fix. Turn on your AC and check if your radiator fan kicks on. If not, you may be dealing with a bad fan motor, relay, or fuse. Sign 4. Noise when AC turns on. Hearing clicking or grinding when AC turns on? That's often your compressor struggling after sitting through winter. Simple fix. If it's minor, monitor it. If the noise gets louder or constant, get the compressor checked before it fully fails. Sign 5. Uneven cooling. If one side is cold and the other isn't, your blend door may be stuck or the actuator is failing. Simple fix. Try switching temperature settings back and forth. If it doesn't respond, the actuator likely needs replacement. Sign 6. Bad smell from vents. If your AC smells musty, that's moisture buildup turning into mold inside your system. Simple fix. Replace your cabin filter and use an AC disinfectant spray to clean the evaporator area. Sign 7. Takes longer to cool. If your AC takes longer to cool down, your system is losing efficiency, usually from low refrigerant, dirt buildup, or wear. Simple fix. Clean your condenser with water, check refrigerant levels, and make sure airflow isn't blocked. Most weak AC issues come down to airflow, refrigerant, or heat transfer. Start simple, and you'll fix most problems early. Fix it in spring while it's small, or deal with a full AC failure in the middle of summer. Happy driving and keep your car running smooth.